Now, I've come across a few news articles today that talk about Shiba Inu Coin and the fact that it's going to add another zero to its price, falling back down below that 1,000 point per coin level. But yeah, I think that Shiba Inu Coin has a different plan for itself, as it is bouncing back beautifully this morning, up roughly 20% from the intraday lows, 5% gain on the day today, back up to about 1,267 points per coin at the moment. So yeah, the sell-off, it may be over and we may be bouncing. Doesn't mean that we are for sure, but we're going to be talking about the article that says Shiba Inu Coin is going to be adding another zero to its price, and you guys have got to check out DexToro. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we get DexToro on the screen right now. We're going to be talking about these guys in a second here because they have got a lot of updates. Especially, one of the updates is a venture capitalist. You've got an investment firm that's going to be coming in and taking out one of these entire rounds by themselves, $500,000 buys by themselves, and of course, you're going to have an increase in price because of that. Current price, 20 cents. Next round, 23, 26, 29, and 32 cents on each one of these rounds here. But let's talk more about Shiba Inu Coin before we jump into DexToro. And let's talk about the price action, right? Because we're actually bouncing back beautifully this morning. But this article says that Shiba Inu Coin could be on the verge of a true downfall. Shiba Inu Coin trading around 1,200 points per coin, a dramatic decrease from the roughly 2,000 points per coin we saw just a couple of weeks ago. Investors are concerned about this sudden drop, which suggests that problems may lie ahead as the cryptocurrency fights to hold on to its value. Shiba Inu Coin is not exempt from the recent decline of the cryptocurrency market. Due to a combination of bearish sentiment and market-wide liquidations, Shiba Inu Coin and many other digital assets have been trapped in a downward spiral. Concerns have been raised regarding Shiba Inu Coin's capacity to recover after its significant sell-off, driving it to its current lows. Shiba Inu Coin broke below important support levels, indicating a clear downtrend. The price decline of 65% from its peak earlier this year is clear indication of growing difficulties. The meme coin's price near 1,000 points per coin is a crucial psychological zone, which is adding to the selling pressure. Yes, I couldn't agree more, but we have to look at what is happening, not what could happen. And if you look at the price of Shiba Inu Coin this morning, you can see that it is bouncing off these levels around 1080 points per coin, and it is doing so in a very nice way. Ethereum bouncing up, Dogecoin bouncing up, Bitcoin bouncing up. Look, I don't know if this was the final dip. I don't know if we're going to see further declines in the market and so on. We can only look at what is happening, and then of course we can look at what is going on across the globe. There's a lot of talk about recession. There's a lot of talk about WW3 taking place. You got to watch what you say on YouTube, right? WW3 taking place here. There's a lot going on that is scaring investors right now. And I am telling you what, guys, it could get worse, sure. But you have been here through so much worse. Unless you just signed up to trade cryptocurrency last week, you have been through so much worse than this. You are going to make it through. That's why you've got to look at this like an opportunity. Sure, maybe you didn't retire today. Maybe you're not going to retire tomorrow. But if you stay in the game, you are looking at that life-changing wealth. We're bouncing back nicely this morning. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu Coin all moving up. But here's what you're going to see happen. You're going to see a breakthrough in the cryptocurrency space like we have not seen before. If the United States goes in a certain direction and they decide to embrace crypto, like some of these presidential candidates are, we're going to see a brand new genre open up for decentralized derivatives. And decentralized derivatives could be a huge market. Think about combining the best of both worlds between a decentralized exchange and a centralized exchange that allows you to trade those derivatives. That is exactly what DexToro is doing. Now, there's 57 days and 12 hours left in this pre-sale round right here. And it's, you know what, let's call it a seed round because it's not a pre-sale. This token is already trading. Now, you might be wondering how the heck this token is trading and why they're doing another round. You guys can actually get that question answered down at the bottom of the page in the frequently asked questions section. But what it boils down to is the amount of liquidity available. If you're to go in there and buy DexToro on the open market right now, it is very illiquid. Your slippage is going to be through the roof. You're going to have to go out there and fight for those tokens, and it's going to cause wild price swings by doing so, which is why they're adding more into the circulation, and they're adding them at 20 cents, 23 cents, 26, 29, and then the final round is going to be 32 cents. So if you're looking for a 60% gain, you know, you got to think about getting in now on round 1, and then, of course, waiting until round 5, and you're already going to be up 60% from your purchase price there. It is very easy to click invest now, and then, like all of the other sites, you go in, you connect your wallet, and you make sure you buy. But what are we doing here? What are we getting into? It is a decentralized protocol that allows you to trade derivatives and essentially combines the best of, like I said, centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. It says DexToro unveils full-scale blockchain protocol revolutionizing decentralized derivatives trading. It's more than just a decentralized exchange. We've transitioned into a full-blown blockchain derivatives protocol, building a suite of products to bring the entire derivative sector on-chain. Quoted from founder Nick, DexToro will be a household name, becoming the largest on-chain derivative exchange in the world. Now, clearly, that is what you need from a founder, right? If they don't believe that they're going to do great things, I think you might want to look somewhere else. But this guy believes he's going to be building the largest derivatives on-chain exchange in the world, which is exactly what you want to see. Now, I'm not going to go through both of these press releases right here, but they are very similar in nature, and you can see that it's already being talked about. This full-blown blockchain derivatives trading platform is being highlighted in many places, and you guys are seeing it here as well. Now, scroll through their website. You guys got links in the description below, all of that, and make sure you understand what you're getting into, what you're buying into here. But I want to show you that these guys are already up and running. They've already collected $70,000 in trading fees, 300 users. And guys, I mean, you got to understand how small 300 users is, right? 300 users is nothing in comparison to the tens of thousands of users that some of these other centralized exchanges have. It's nothing in comparison to the millions of users that something like a Coinbase has. You've got total unique users at 300. This is literally the ground floor, but you already have that product, right? You already have that product that you can go out there and see. This trading platform is already live. You're being able to jump into it knowing that this is not something that they want to build, but that it's already built here. So you can go through, you can see their audit, all of that stuff. There's not enough time in the world to do that in this video. You can see their roadmap and scroll through their roadmap, see how they're checking boxes off there. But I wanted to show you, is the token already launched? Yes, DToro launched on October 10, 2023, and you can go to the CoinMarketCap and you can go to the CoinGecko pages to see just how well it's trading, what its price is, and so on. And then, of course, you can go through, and if you would like, you can go and check out all of the tokenomics, all of that good stuff, or you can see that their X account, they're doing a very good job of growing a community out on X with over 53,000 community members already. You don't typically see that in pre-sale stages, right? That's something that you see after they've launched, after they're building. But I just want to very briefly show you their trading platform. If you come out to DexToro.com here, you can see that you can open up the trade section. They've currently got $127 million in open interest, $40,000 in trade volume over the last 4 days, which is excellent because there's only been 4 trades, roughly $10,000 per trade right there. And you can scroll through and see just how this trading platform works and, all of the assets that they have available and so on. So make sure you guys go through, see everything that they've got to offer on here, and let me know what you think about DexToro. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.